Lawmakers are leaving the decision on the abolition of the PDAF to the president. However, several of them say the sweeping accusation on the misuse of the fund is unfair. This report.
The Priority Development Fund, better known as has ignited a storm of controversy. A march of 1 million people on Monday is calling for its abolition. They are pitted against the poor, fighting for its retention.
Ako po nakikiusap po ako kay President Pinoy na sana wag naman yan tanggalin. Dahil sana naman po kukuha ng pondo ang mga congressman kung aalisin naman po nila ang pork barrel.
E paano na lang po pag nagkasakit yung aming mga member? E saan po kami tatakbo para gaya po ng sa medical o sa medicine? Kawawa naman po kami pati yung sa burial.
The Janet Napoles pork scam of 10 billion pesos was the trigger for the pork debate and the recent report of the Commission on Audit, which exposed a list of congressmen and senators who exceeded their allocations. The NBI has initiated an investigation. The Senate will also conduct its own inquiry. The President has suspended the release of the final tranche of the PDAF for 2013 and is now for the abolition of the pork. The Monday March is generating support through the Internet. Facebook and Twitter are very active. It has become the platform to lambast lawmakers for the misuse of the PDAF. One of them is Ado Paglinawan. He said the pork scam is a mafia-type operation to include some legislators and certain personnel in government agencies which implement their programs and projects. An operation that began during the Arroyo administration and continues to the present.
Yung pag-approve ng kongresista at pagtanggap ng mga request from all over the country, there's no graft there. Wala pa pong corruption dyan. Dahil yung pera, hindi pa lumalabas, hindi pa na-misuse. Simple lang po yan, that is law 101. Ang corruption po dyan, nagsisimula doon sa pag-award and pag-release ng pera sa mga boss NGOs.
Two Solons of Metro Manila, Congressman Amado Bagatsing and Congressman Sherwin Gatchalian said it's up to the President to determine what is the future of the PDAF. Both said that while a few may have abused their pork, a sweeping accusation of members of the House is unfair. Bagatsing said the poor will be severely, especially when it comes to medical health.
Kung ang gusto nila i-abolish ang pork barrel, sa akin po walang problema. Pero naaawa ako sa mga taong umaasa sa pork barrel na yan na hindi sila matutugunan tulad ng pagtugon namin sa aming mga distrito.
But if you ask the poor people, if you ask our constituents, they want the pork barrel because they benefit from it, and in times of need they can rely on it. Right? Again, we just have to look at the policies, we have to look at the systems, we have to look at the mechanisms that will protect it.
The pork controversy has raised a cry from the poor calling on the President to retain the PDAF.
Huwag nyo naman pong alisin ang pork barrel. Kay sir, maawa naman po kayo sa mga mahihirap na umaasa kay sir. Ako po, eto, bata pa lang po ako, nag-start na ako dito. Ngayon, maputi na po ako, nandito pa rin po. Kaya kahit matepok ako, babangon at babangan ako.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.